who doesn't enjoy riddle videos, especially murder riddle mysteries, which have been trending recently. These videos effortlessly get millions of views because this niche is very captivating and the competition is quite low. Take a look at this new channel where the creator has gained 77,000 subscribers by uploading only 23 shorts. Nearly all of these shorts have millions of views. The best part is that we can easily make such shorts using free AI tools. So are you ready to attract millions of views by uploading similar videos? Be sure to watch the full video to catch every detail. Let's dive in without further ado and move on to the video. Let's start with step 1, where we will generate the script. For this, we will use ChatGPT. We'll instruct ChatGPT to provide us with some mystery riddles for YouTube videos. Then you just need to copy the prompt. Next, let's proceed to step 2, where we will create the voiceover. For this, we will use the 11 Labs website. Here, paste your prompt and select the Atom voice because it is currently trending. Now, let's move on to step 3, where we will generate images. To create images, you can use various websites like Adobe Firefly or Midjourney, but here I will use the Leonardo AI website. Type your prompt according to your script, and once you are satisfied, simply download the image. In step 4, we will edit the video. For this, I will use CapCut because it is very easy to use. Import the images you downloaded and the voiceover you created into CapCut, then combine all the images and use some transitions and effects to make your video more engaging. Now you also need to add trending sounds to your video. For this, you can use the YouTube audio library where you can easily find no copyright music. Finally, add auto captions to your video, then export your video.so. Now your short is ready to be uploaded. Are you ready to upload such shorts and earn thousands of dollars? Now let's also see our final result.
How was the necklace stolen? Answer: the thief was already inside the museum. They hid in the museum before closing time and waited until it was empty to steal the necklace.
If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting content like this. So bye-bye for now.